Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video, guys. So finally this blog there on Facebook that goes by the name Polokwane Grovist, you guys, and BBC Bancha like the files on Shebeshed, and of course the alleged side check on Madash, you guys. So they posted this video, and I guess once again Madash is their source. She is the one who is leaking private and intimate pictures of her, and of course Shebeshed, you guys. Now she gave the blog this picture, this one particular picture, proving that indeed she is a side chick. It is not clear if those were photoshopped, but Polokwane Groovist claims that Shebeshed is indeed having an affair with Mandesh, you guys, and it is also alleged that the side chick is pregnant, you guys. Yes, it is alleged that Mandesh is pregnant. Also, not 100% sure if she is lying or if she is telling the truth, but according to this particular blog, indeed she is pregnant. In the audio whereby Mandesh was basically going back and forth with Sheba's girlfriend and baby mama, or Okolo, you can hear in the audio whereby she tells her rather that, you know what, I am actually carrying Sheba said's child, and there is nothing that you can do about that. We hear Amandesh in the audio claiming, of course, Sheba as her lover, you guys. And once again, Kolo did go to TikTok rather to do a live whereby she clarified and said that it was definitely not her on that audio. She said that that audio was definitely cooked, it was definitely audited. Or in the days of AR, it is quite very easy for them to manipulate the voice jar to make it sound like it was her. I was like, that's not me in that audio at all. Leave me out of everything. I don't know anything about that, and I don't have time to entertain crap. Lana, or why would I call Beyaka? Why would I call my boyfriend Mapena? Why would I call Mutwaka Mapena? That still doesn't make any sense. She says that she doesn't call Usheveshed Mapena, you guys. What are your thoughts regarding this whole saga? Please do engage it with me in the comments section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.